Can you imagine hundreds of dogs enjoying together at a single pool party? Recently, such a unique event took place in America, and it even broke a world record. Today, we are showing you the world's largest dog pool party in Florida, America. A grand event organized by the famous pet company Chewy is now becoming popular all around the world. In this event, 277 dogs swam together at the same time and set a new Guinness World Record. This fun-filled program was organized at Florida's Chewy Bark Park, where special swimming pools, games, delicious treats, photo sessions, and various entertainment activities were arranged for the dogs. In the video, you can see dogs of all sizes, from small to big, enjoying in the water, playing, and sharing happiness with their owners. Participants described it as a luxury summer party for dogs. But this program was not only for entertainment. After the event, it was announced that the pools, toys, and other materials used in the program would be donated to local animal shelters. This will also provide comfort and entertainment to sheltered dogs during the hot summer season. Additionally, the event included animal health information, CPR training, and showcases of dogs available for adoption. This unique record has now attracted the attention of animal lovers all around the world. What do you think about such a dog pool party? Tell us in the comments. Would you like to take your dog to a party like this? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting and inspiring news stories.